Good afternoon, friends. Now we discuss the standard maths paper today, and here we discuss the section A. Section A is some 4 to 5 question is typical question. Now look first question. First question is our textbook question. First one, HCF is 306, 657 is 2m minus 1, right? Now find the value of n. First we prime factorization 306 divided by 2, 153, right? 3, 51, 3, 17 3s are, then 70, clear? Then 657 divided by 3, 3 2s are 19, 19 3s are 2 3s are, again 3, 73, then 1, okay, 73, 1, 73 is prime number. So here the common factor is 9. Our HCF is 9, given in our textbook, right? But here the answer is 2m minus 1 equal to 9. Therefore 2m equal to 1, take right side 10, m equal to 5. So first answer is 5. Then second, if two zeros of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d are 0, our cubic polynomial formula alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b upon a, put alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 0, then gamma is minus b upon a. Is it clear? Okay, minus b upon a, that means b option. Okay, then third, the lines are for lengths for a pair of linear equation 3x plus 2y minus 4 and 2x plus 4y minus 12. Take the ratio. Find ratio. So first third MCQ. Ratio 3 by 2. First ratio 3 by 2. Second ratio 2 by 4. First two ratio are not equal. That means intersecting line. Okay. Fourth one is our textbook question. The value of k for quadratic equation. Open your quadratic equation. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Here equal root, that means discrimination equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b square minus 2k square, that means 4k square. 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. Now 4k common. 4k common. So in a bracket k minus 6 equal to 0. 4 take the division. So 0. So first answer k equal to 0. Either k minus 6 equal to 0. K equal to 6. In our option 6 is given. So answer 6. Fifth number very easy. The missing term of the following AP. 2 blanks and 26. Right? Put here 14. 14 minus 2, 12, 26 minus 14, 12. So answer is 14. Sixth one is also easy. Sixth question is also very easy question. But some 3 to 4 questions are very difficult question. Think about this question. Okay, now sixth number. Sixth number, AD upon QR. Okay, AD upon QR equal to BC upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. Now here look here ratio. AD upon here the B common letter, okay, and here the common letter is Q, right? B compared to Q. Now A, here R, C and P. So ABC and RQP. First option RQP. Seventh is very easy question in our textbook question. AB is a diameter of a circle whose center, the diameter, center 2 minus 3, and here B vertices is 1, 4. A vertices x1, y1, right? So x1 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. First option 3 comma minus 10. Right? Okay, second one is also, find it here. y1 plus 4 divided by 2 equal to minus 3 minus 6. 4 take right side, minus 10. So 3 minus 10. Okay, 8th number is our textbook question. Already given. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Then 9th question. In 9th question, apply the Pythagoras theorem. In 9th question, apply Pythagoras theorem. How is it possible? First, we draw the figure. First, we draw the figure. Right? A tangent PQ. 9th number question. A tangent PQ point P of a circle. Here the point P. This is our tangent. Center O. Radius 5. Take the radius perpendicular. Then join here Q. 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that PQ equal to 12 centimeter. Length OQ. Question mark OQ and here 5. Our triplet 5, 12, 13. So answer is 13. Then 10th number. If the radius of sector is double, angle of the sector is kept unchanged, then area of the new sector. Our sector formula is pi r square theta upon 360. Now radius is double. Take the radius 2r. 2r theta upon 360. Pi into 4r square theta upon 360. Now 4 take the coefficient and our formula pi r square theta upon 360 as it is. The sector will be 4 times. Answer is given 4 times. Okay. Very old question. 11th number question is very old question. If a lemon is cut into 4 equal parts, then the total surface area of one part will be 2 pi r square. Very easy. You can practical also, right? 2 pi r square. Then 12th is also easy. Apply the formula m equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon f into h and calculate 149.03 our answer. Okay, 13. The probability of an event can be 1 integer 3 by 4. Not possible. Because here the numerator is greater than denominator. So how is it possible probability? Probability is always smaller than or equal to 1. So false statement. A linear equation in 2 variables has an infinite solution. Yes. You can choose any one linear equation and put any one x or y value. Then they find indefinitely value. So true. If a quadratic equation 6x square plus bx minus 6 equals to opposite roots. Opposite root, that means coefficient of x is 0. Here the coefficient of x is b. So we can find b equal to 0. But our question b equal to 6 given. So false question, false statement. Okay, then 16. Then apply the distance formula. Trigonometry identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So answer is given 1. So true statement. Okay. If the radius of cylinder, this is the typical question. 17th number question MCQ, 1 marker question is some problematic question. Here we solve it. If the radius of a cylinder increase by 10%, now radius original r, 10% that means 10 r upon 100. 0, 0 cut, r plus r upon 10. Take the LCM. So 11 r upon 10, new radius. Okay, height is increased by 20%. Height plus 20%, 20 r upon 100. Right? 20 h plus 25 h upon 5. Take the LCM. 6h upon 5, new height and new radius. Okay? Then what will be the increase in the volume in terms of percentage? So volume of cylinder, yeah, pi r square h, our original formula. Now take the radius, 11 r upon 10, height 6h upon 5. So pi 121 r square upon 100, right? 6h upon 5 as it is. Okay, now our original formula pi r square h. Real? Now 121 into 6, 6 ones are 6, 12 6 are 72 upon 100 into 5. Now take the division, 726 upon 5. Divide. 14 5s are 70, 2, 26, 5 5s are 25, 1, 0, 0, 5 2s are 10. 145.2, 145.2 pi r square h upon 100. Now 100 cancel, that means the here percentage sign. 145.2 pi r square h percentage. Now it is our original formula, right? Here. So how many percentage will be increased from 100? 100 से ज़्यादा कितना है यहाँ पर? तो 45.2. So our final answer is 45.2 percentage. Final answer. Is that clear? Okay. Next question. 18 is also some difficult question. 18. What is the combined mean of prime number and composite number among its first and natural number? We take the prime number and composite. We do not take here 1. Because 1 is not a prime number and 1 is not a composite number. But first we find the sum of the first and natural number. Find first and natural number. Composite and prime. Combined number. First n. Right? First we apply the Sn formula. N by 2 a plus n. N by 2 1 plus n. Is that clear? First and natural number. So total number 1. And now take the minus 1 because we do not take here 1. So 1 minus. This is the Sn. Sn, right? But we find here mean. So mean equal to sum of the natural number n by 2, 1 plus n minus 1. And total number natural number n, but we do not take minus 1. Is that clear? Okay. Now simplify. Open the bracket. N square. Sorry. N plus n square minus n plus n square minus 2 upon 2 into n minus 1. Is that clear? N square plus n minus 2 upon 2 into n minus 1. Now splitting this here. 2 ones are 2, factorize. N plus 2 n minus 1 upon 2 into n minus 1. Cancel. Final answer is n plus 2 upon 2. Okay, clear? Then 19 question very easy. Textbook question 12, 15 and 21 answer is 420. Our textbook question. Is it clear? 20 is also our textbook question. Perfect square polynomial. Discrimination 0. Right? Okay. Then 21st. Alpha square plus beta square. So here take the alpha square. We take sum 2 alpha beta plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Here we add the 2 alpha beta plus and subtract 2 alpha beta. Why? Because this is our perfect square polynomial. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Here the formula minus b upon a. Here c upon a. So b square upon a square minus 2c a upon a square. Here they multiply a, numerator and denominator. So final answer b square minus 2ca upon a square. Clear? 22nd. 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta whole square. Take the LCM. Alpha plus beta upon alpha beta whole square. Minus b upon a c upon a whole square. Cancel. Minus b upon c whole square. So b square upon c square. Square always positive. B square upon c square. Not minus b square upon c square. Okay. Then 23rd. 23rd. Sin a upon root 1 minus sin square. Answer. Right? Sin a 1 minus sin square cos square. Take the square root. Cos. Sin upon cos 10. Textbook question. This is also textbook question. Example. Then set a sec a equal to 1 upon root 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square, that means cos square. Take the square root. Cos 1 upon cos, that is sec. Complete. 3 to 4 questions. Student, think about this more time. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.